Now, nhà mình chỉ bao nữa, hay tự cái bỏ bỏ, okay, tự cái bỏ bỏ nữa mà. Mình chỉ một lần mỗi nhà thì bỏ không nát, bỏ không nát, chụp bỏ, mỗi lần thì chụp bỏ, chụp bỏ không nát thì same thing. Mà, hay tự nữa, tự cái bỏ bỏ nữa mà, like I said, mentioned, in China, no, you could go anywhere where Hmong people, and people celebrate. In China, mua bê họ mông này, mua cho sâu, cho hư, cho mông, được không? Mà bê hải tuần, bê group people here, được không? Có thể mà họ tư là bố chỉ bỏ này nữa, ok? Bố chỉ bỏ, đó nó cho bây giờ bố chỉ bỏ này, ok? Bạn tư là người hai cho luôn lên bê hải nó là bố chỉ bỏ này. The reason, họ cái bỏ nó mà it's not originally bê cho mông, ok? Nếu chỉ là mông này, ok? Originally it's not our Hmong people that invented. It's actually we adopted from the people who are the Zhuang Zhu. Zhuang Zhu nó thì cho cái bây giờ Mông Hồ thì họ ta ít xa họ mang ít xa họ yi hoặc ít xa nhà lúc Mông là bây họ ta cho dỗ rồi đấy lúc bây họ dỗ rồi đấy cho tôi này họ Zhuang cái nó thì in China là im mộ in Southeast Asia là im mộ hát rồi đấy okay. So along the way I don't know if it's Yapomo adopted in China already, and then Pon Malelu, the people in Southeast Asia, especially in Laos and Thailand. I don't know if we adopted while we're in China, and the people bring her culture, like her border, no lu do the people to Southeast Asia. The people all in suit. We need to do more research. I don't know if we did that. Or along the way, more copy for. I don't know. I don't know if it's in China or do we copy or do we adopt their practice from when we got to Southeast Asia. Okay. The original, the history, is from the Zhuangzu, Zhuang people, Zhuang people, 不胡噜噜说不话打包税笑包税秀桥呢秀桥呢笑呢的笑呢，OK 噜噜你看 SILK 呢，silk OK silk 的叫熟呢，叫多呢叫熟呢，或噜说一或笑呢，that's why 多年多比较再来道路边噜或笑呢。的包呢得要包 toss 呢得要包，如说打笑呢得要笑，叫手难，球呢得要弄板 ，OK， 弄 ball is a ball， 要得但笑 ball 啦，弄别的但我笑笑 ball 啦，就 embroider ball， 弄 ball， 不摸刀叫弄手呢，摸手叫弄手呢了嘛 ，OK， 的讲好 original history。好 legend 嘛呀，头乌莫一头我阿乔也头个不一头个也和阿弟对呀，阿乔呢嘛呀，阿乔呢一头 girl， 佢呢一头 village girl，阿弟呢头个也头 boy 呢嘛，我头新年兴嘛呀，我头新年兴的，但是嘛阿弟呢嘛头 boy 跟你杂年，你杂年你只么伢的，么一头都能 outsider 佢，你么伢么弄的时候呢都瞎撇嘛呀。所以你都nhà都不阿球的，你要谈阿球的，你阿球只敢谈的，你再来你买来上桌，你报道哦，阿球演你这么不落刀的么呀？俺这么打不落刀是的，你再来么伢三个叫路直的路上的，么阿弟的都 boyfriend 的，这么高的，这么高的，这么 torture for no reason 啦，头伢在路的，伢那之中的，不你 torture 的。阿球在咧过的，在咧过的，你嘛咧路上你嘛你如果过的就係過的天魔啦，知道嘛？但你路上到二腳山路啦，二腳邊路咯，的小你路上到路邦的呢，路邦的佢呀所屬就路上到的。你就過摩啦，路咗定是上的路廠才對的，人廠出嚟路咗你才對，做路邦的路做咗人等。出嚟拉到嚟嚇到啦，咪啊？嘅你話你路拖 cho guard cứ là lúc prison đó nhưng mà thọ cho guard tại cổ trang nó sai thì tụi nó tròn đó rồi ấy giờ mỗi lúc bò nó nương nó thế mỗi lúc bò nó nương nó thế你莫让大家呢，你不叫你晒的，他那都分钟都要多了呀，错不长了，是吧？莫叽的都要多少不长的，你在莫弄包的起子咯，莫叫你弄，莫叫你叫开的，magically I don't know I just read on it magically，但不叫你白单车不单车 everybody fair 不单车的，他不记录不为留的，哦不能叫你太车人用 from away from everybody，叫你用的，奥头的叫你是有的，叫你that's it. It just ended. Just said they got married, have one boy, one kids, and then boom, they live a happy life afterward. That's it. So, 撸包的喏，撸个小条的呀，撸包个属上喏，才有一个 symbol 呢，叫 drunk people，叫 your people 喏，有一个 symbolize 下的。Every daughter 你要去少你路 on 小包的路路属喏刀包的刀包路包刀喏的嘛，你少你 represent 你路啥嘛，你就好考 story 考 myth 嘛呀，就给是路的阿球哈阿弟阿杜的嘛呀，แต่要ตุ้มใจนะ你少的路包嘛呀不就好 festival คือthe 3rd of March, mid spring, have mid autumn. No, they have just join people. They have a celebration. Cái bố một bỏ một thà cái gì lúc nào vậy? Để cho tuần sai từ mỗi lúc bỏ một chút lúc bỏ một chút từ là tuần sai từ mỗi lúc từ lúc bỏ nữa mỗi lúc từ là rồi để sai tao đã tuần sai nữa lúc nhà từ đó nữa mà nhà thì lúc từ đó như nhà giàu là tuần sai là mỗi lúc bỏ nữa represent 你录啥你录号แต่你摸你录号就读的的才到的读才年高了懂了吗 OK 不好 tradition 我得不一样梦只要不一样梦我也不好好不好 tradition 嘛 during these 3 festival mid autumn and mid spring festival what they do is they get together and they put boy against girl they have a team and they put ball each other throw the ball the silk ball back and forth into whoever drops it and they have to sing you know 不摸一个 traditional song คือ had to get courting 给戏弹 you drop the ball you sing too 对不对แต่不行勁嘅依寶寶呢要行勁我哋等得 OK แต่เขา concept เขา ritual เขาคือเขา concept เนาะนะเป็นมึง不好拋小球呢哋啊寶ลูก小บอลนะ寶 throwing tossing 小 ball 呢你話 adopt 比較 Southeast Asian มึง and nowadays 比較 adopt 不好 tradition เขาจะรู้ order 比較 is part of our culture now okay so that's where Tuke Pop came from okay so like I said we don't know if Southeast Asian people adopt it or use it or practice it in China already or we didn't do it until we got into Southeast Asian if my little Jeep boy if my little copy adopt from them I think yeah, be to adopt be to all in China okay to yeah that be adopt in South Asia we they all came to one places okay we all went to different some people came directly to Laos some people came directly to China some people came directly to went directly to Burma some people went directly to Vietnam but according to how this thinking they are we adopted in China already okay had to get okay and nowadays pitching order. Nowadays, they back in China, in Laos, in Thailand. Play now. They play these games right here. I toss it to you, toss it to me. If you drop the ball, you have to give something of yours to the other person, right? If I drop the ball, I got to give something to the other person. They got you want to play and ball shot like you know do it slow, do it fast, do it whatever, you know, find a way to make them drop the ball. Make you order at my time in 2000, 2003, 2004, right there, that thought, and which in the town of God, we ball, being try, bitchy ball, we do what we know. So we toss a bit of ball in the United States. Got ball down there. Shit, So what you do is you come and you exchange one piece for yours, one of your piece. One piece of your either your clothes, your comb, it could be your phone, your keys, it could be các chú xe về các chú lang về các lúc bầu này các lúc sáu rồi các mỗi thọ các bông giờ mỗi cho nữ để cú bông để cú mỗi cho nữ bông để nữ mỗi something I've heard to me, and then at the end we'll exchange one for one, one for one, one for one, one for one at the end, and then if I still have two more of her and she's out of mine, then she has to sing two songs. Like I favorite come on, back to do. This is a game. It's pretty fun, y'all. Some of the youth nowadays, you guys don't see this anymore, but it's fun back then. I did it a couple times. It's pretty fun, Get okay. So it was fun. Okay, and then to get Babano originally came from the 转族，被人蒙着混摇呢，就还都能混摇呢。Okay, so right here, I found some photo. 不如个小桥呢，底下说呢，小底下小呢，小的桥的包的小包right here. 不受容高，不去受你蒙的。Nowadays 被人蒙的头嘛，不是说受可能的大人那以后，没到这路受我可能的大。但是 nowadays they use tennis balls. Yeah, we have tennis ball,但是不能不用高了，刚才讲到讲 these are the drunk people， 不用高了，不受到用再到用高了的，不保的不保的用不去保赔的，别tennis ball 保的 ，OK。and 还是给把保了太低下米个低的没一步了的，就係找 logo 單嘅啫 ，OK。But they have a tradition, a belief that 個嘢同才咯，when you grew up，就 drunk people 呢。You grew up 一個大龍江人，咁就細個到嗰度搏，咁就細個到嗰度小橋，Why? Because 你那樣個做嘅個有卡到嗰度山度都只能得，來都係得。I accept you. Yeah. So it's a tradition that every daughter must, as they grow up, and 你我哋你冇有個樣，你要比正常人高人高，正常人高的，你要做少人個刀人搏，That's a tradition. I think they still practice that. Okay, awesome tradition. Yeah. 要給路用嘢，但係冇路冇嘅，都到給路了的哦。就只能上次猜下嚟。Yes. Okay, had to get my ball, then we adopt it and we practice it and we use it during the Hmong New Year. Okay, I told you, Donald, and you come to my class, you will get a lot of information. Okay, that maybe it's actually done not to. Okay.